Tritiya vibhakti rules we are seeing. First one is saha, sardham, sakham, which is easy. The next one is instrument is called karana, not karna. R is full. Karana, karana. And there is sutra. First I will write in Hindi. कर्ण में तृतीया विभक्ति होती है. कर्ण में, कर्ण means wherever instrument is there, third case happens. Like with the help of glasses, if I am saying upanetrena pashyami. Upanetrena, upanetra means glasses. Upanetrena pashyami. Seeing is one kriya activity, and the instrument is upanetram. So other than the next usage we are seeing, saha sakham is now we are familiar. करण में तृतीया होती है, and the sutra is कर्तृ कर्णयोस् तृतीया. कर्तृ कर्णयो. So there is some other application also, but we'll see one, because karmani prayog I don't want to teach today separately. It is a lengthy but very important in our Sanskrit. Kartru means in karta sometimes third case happens. When we will see karmani prayog, then in karta third case. Karana yoho means in karta and in karana. Two places third case happens. That is why kartru karana yoho trutiya. This is the sutra. In karta third case will happen. In karana means in instrument third case will happen. Like if I am walking with the help of stick, dand. So what I will say? Aham dandena chalami. So danda is the instrument and walking is the kriya. So dandena chalami. With the help of stick, I am chalami. Now I am not dandena saha chalami. Are you getting the difference? Saha and dandena. So when I say saha means that stick is also walking with me. That stick is not walking. I am making that stick as instrument. That is why dandena. If you say dandena saha,
stick is walking.
Yeah, stick is walking with me. Dandena chalami. Or the ball is called kandukam. Kandukam. So I can say kandukena, like ramena, vanena, kandukena kridami. So this playing is one activity. If I say kridati, that is also fine. Then karta will be saha. We'll derive that karta from subject from verb. Kridati means saha kandukena kridati. Two examples I gave. Upanetrena pashyami, hastena khadami, padabhyam chalami. So feet are the instrument to walk. So these two rules we saw, two more are there, but let us take a small pause. Now, yes, this is over. करण में तृतीया विभक्ति होती है. करणे कर्णयोः तृतीया. कर्तृ कर्णयोः तृतीया.
Kartru is what again?
Kartru means karta. Kartru means karta. That rule is for two different things. The rule is saying in subject tritiya happens and in instrument tritiya happens. So in subject where happens, that we'll see next class, which is karmani prayog. Like we also say I eat mango or Rama eats mango, and that we make passive voice. The mango is eaten by Rama. So Ramena, like that it will come. We'll see that in next class. It is a very important and very nice topic. So two rules are over. Now let us have some words so that we can decline for in next class. This is homework for next class. What is that? Some shabda. First is Surya. Hari vi shabda we know Hari, but we don't know how many synonyms are there. Hari means first of all Vishnu. This everybody knows. Vishnu. Second, Hari means that Gajendra and their Hari avatar came. That Hari, we say Vishnu only. Another meaning of Hari is Surya. Oh, this we don't know. Surya, Hari means. Another meaning of Hari is Kiran. Like Ray means also Hari. 5 meanings different. Simha. Simha means also Hari. How one word can have many meaning? Because this Hari Shabda might have come in many places where if you don't take Simha Artha, you won't have the proper meaning. So Amar Kosha is there. They have given sources why we have taken Hari meaning as Simha. So all these things, there was one great Acharya, Amarji, he had made this Amar Kosha. All words, their linga and all, everything given, meaning, different meanings, like that. And unbelievable, and Bandar means also Hari. If you have heard Ramayanam, there Naradji once go, he after at the age of 50, he wants to get married. And he goes to God Lord and he says, give me your, all beauty. He say, you will become Hari. Hari, you will become Hari. You will have my beauty. And there Hari means Bandar. And when he goes in that congregation, that Swayamvar, all people, they can see Naradji as a monkey. And Naradji feels that girl should wear mala, garland to me only. And when he see his face in that mirror, he appears like a monkey. And Naradji is so furious. Naradji says to Bhagwan, he said, because of you, I could not get that girl. And you will also in next cycle, in next yuga, you will also have separation, pangs of separation from your wife. That is Naradji's curse. That is why Rama avatar comes and he separates, the separation is there. And Naradji says, you will have to take care of, help of us only, then only you will find Sita, otherwise not. This is a small story. The story is about lash and passion. How Naradji also felt at the age of 50, he should get that girl. That story is really interesting. In that story, it is said, when Naradji says Bhavishyavani, it is said, something interesting is there, like, and Naradji changes the words and he says he will marry with a beautiful boy and something is that, I am not recollecting that. So let us come to Hari. Harihi. This Shabda today we have declined. Next is Kavihi. Kavihi means poet, we know. Poet. So Kavihi, Kavina, Kavim. In 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, Kavim Puran Manushasitaram Anoraniyan Samanusmaredya Sarvasya Dhataramachintya Rupam Aditya Varnam Tamasah Parastat. Kavim Purana. Kavim, second case comes. Kavina, many cases comes in Bhagavad Gita. We'll refer to that only after 10 chapter. Kavihi. Next is Yatihi. Yatihi means sannyasi. Yatihi means sannyasi. A renunciator. Sannyasi. A monk, we can say. Monk. Yatihi. Next is Bhupatihi. So now we have many words. Bhupatihi. At least 5 you have to decline other than Kavi. Okay, Kavi, Kavim, Kavina, Kavi, Kavaye, Kavehe, Kavehe, Kavau, He Kave. Bhupatihi means also the king, the king of whole earth. Bhupatihi. Bhupatihi, Bhupatim, Bhupatina, Bhupataye, Bhupatehe, Bhupatehe, Bhupatau, Bhupatau, He Bhupati. King. Next is Senapatihi. So all Patihi will decline like this. Senapatihi means the commander, the chief of army. Senapati. Commander, captain, something like that. Senapatihi, Senapatim, Senapatina, Senapataye, Senapati, Patehe, Senapatehe, Senapatau, He Senapate. Chief. Next is Prajapati. Prajapati means the creator Brahma. Brahma. Any five you decline. Prajapatihi. Prajapatihi. Brahma. Prajapati. Prajapatihi, Prajapatim, Prajapatina, Prajapataye, Prajapatehe, Prajapatehe, Prajapati, Patau, He Prajapati. Okay, Prajapati. Next is Ravihi. Ravau will be the seventh. Ravihi means sun. Surya. Kapihi. Kapihi means Vanar. Kapi means Bandar, the actual. Kapi. Kapihi. Kapihi means also a monkey. Kapihi. Confusion won't be there, right? Kapihi. Monkey. Then next is easy words only. Bhupati he knew, Prajapati is new, Senapati almost we know, Yatihi also we know. The main word is now Munihi also we know. Munihi. Munihi. So Munihi means a sage. Munihi. Munina. Munina also comes in Gita. Munina. Okay. Munina, Munihi, Munaye. Next is Agnihi. Agnina. Agnihi means fire. Fire. Agnihi. The next we have to see sentences also. Agnihi and then Girihi. Girihi. That na will become ana here because ri is there. Girihi. Girihi means mountain. Mountain. Parvat. Girihi. That is why it is said Giridhari. Govardhani Giridhari. Giridhari means Girin Dharayati. The one who lifts the whole mountain. That is Giridhari. Okay. Oh. Marichi. Totally new word for us. Marichi. Maricha we know, but Marichi we don't. Marichi means also a sun ray. Marichihi. Sun ray. Only this much, and then we'll go for sentence. Two words is dhatus for practice. These are the words. Any 5 words you decline in first case. Difficult one if you decline like Marichi is new. Kapihi we know that we say in every Saturday. There is one Manojavam Marutulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarjuta Mukhyam Sriramadutam Sharanam. No, Kapi is also come somewhere in Hanumanji Stuti. Kapi.
Yatihi and Muni is the same, meaning is same.
Yeah, Yatihi is like sage can be a married one.
Oh, okay.
So small changes, if we want to create some changes, we can. And Yati means sannyasi.
Sannyasi, okay.
Next is Agnihi. Agnihi means fire. Agnihi. yatayah shabd comes in Gita. Okay. Strictly speaking, otherwise yatihi, munihi used for interchangeably, they are used. Sometimes yati, sometimes this. Okay. So much. Now two new shabdas, dhatus we will learn. Or you try this much first. What should I do? Chalo. Dhatu also. Only three dhatus I will give. You decline that only. Dhatu. And plural dhatavah. Next class Hari Shabda. First two vibhaktis plural also we must know, because we need that in many places. First dhatu is dahati. If you know one sloka of Bhagavad Gita, like Nainam Chindanti Shastrani Nainam Dahati Pavakah. Dahati means to burn. To burn. Dahati. So how we will decline this? Adahat, adahatam, adahan, adahaha, adahatam, adahata, adaham, adahava, adahama. So this is Jalana type. Like fire burns, descend. And the Jwalati is Jalna. Jwalati. One burns other, and this is Jwalati. Jalna and Jalana, two different things are there. Jalti, Jalana or Jalna.
Jalna.
So what will say English? I had some word in my mind, Jwalati. To Jalna. Hindi also I will write, so you will have more clarity. Jalana. Yes. Rupaji, what will be the word Jalna?
I'm trying to.
Jalna.
Self-burn.
Deepaha Jwalati. Like it. And the fire burns everything. Deepa doesn't burn anything. He's just lighting a lit. Jwalati. For time being burned, we will light. But the meaning is different. Meaning you remember. One is Jalana, another is Jalna. Jalna.
You can write to lit.
That's what I was thinking. To lit.
It's better to write to lit.
Yeah. So confusion won't be lit. Okay. And next dhatu is tapa. Tapati. Two meanings are there. Tapat. Oh, I am writing directly dhatus. No, this is important. Daha is important. This you write down, because now we will go for, means next class we will go for karmani prayog. There you will need this tapati and tapati. Tapati. So tapati has two meanings, like to do penance. And the another meaning is to scorch, like heat. Then, like Surya tapati, Munihi tapati. Munihi tapati is different, like he does penance. Tapati or to scorch, to give heat, to scorch. Oh, this much you write. Some more are there, but 5 words you decline and 3 dhatus. Your bhutkala and ikaranta shabda will be perfect. Tapati. Nainam chindanti shastra nainam dahati. Jwalati doesn't come in. But tapati comes. Tapami aham. In 9th chapter it comes. Tapami aham. Varshami aham. Nigrunnami aham. Utsrujami aham. Bhagavan is saying, I do all these things. So if you have done We'll go for 7th chapter sentence. In next 2-3 days, you will get all classes, whatever I did not upload. Agrawal ji, everything good?
Yeah, everything all right, but it needs such more time and practice.
Yes, that is why I'm taking breaks in between. But we are going slow as per the pace of the book.
Right.
In book, they say in this chapter, Ekvachan, Bahuvachan, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan of Hari, they should memorize. We say wait, first Ekvachan should be perfect, because Dvivachan we don't use much. Bahuvachan, yes, we use.
Yes.
This Hari Shabda Bahuvachan is used in many places. But anyway, all Bahuvachan we are going to see. Dvivachan, actually Dvivachan is very easy. When you build up more confidence, we'll see that. Because Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, same of all Dvivachan of any Shabda. Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam. Haribhyam, Haribhyam, Haribhyam. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami. Shashti is same. Ramayoho, Ramayoho. Haryoho, Haryoho. Ramayoho, Ramayoho. But it also takes so much space in our head. So let us keep that as. Cholo, 7th chapter. This file will be sent to you. 7th chapter. Fast you tell me if you are written, otherwise I will tell. Wah likhega.
Saha likhishyati.
हाँ, you have to pay attention. Likhishyati nahi hoga, then lekhishyati is the one. Jeshyati and lekhishyati, these two dhatus.
Lekhishyati.
हाँ, yes. हाँ, you said lekhishyati only, right? हाँ, सह लेखिष्यति, ले ए. Okay. वह पढ़ेगा. हाँ, पठिष्यति is simple. And plural will be te patishyanti. Vishaka, have you written? वह हंसेगा. Yes, anybody can tell. हाँ, so वह हंसेगा.
हर्षति.
हसिष्यति.
हसिष्यति.
हाँ, in that book they have given all. Okay, but Syati
right.
We have seen all, so there is no confusion. Syati we have seen all. Okay. Next, वह हंसेगा. वह ऊपर जाएगा.
सः ऊपरी गमिष्यति.
Perfect. सः ऊपरी गमिष्यति. वह नीचे आएगा.
सः अधः आनस्यति.
सः अधः आगमिष्यति.
आगमिष्यति और
आएगा नहीं, आएगा. ले आएगा नहीं, आएगा सिर्फ. आगच्छति, like that. रमेश रक्षा करेगा.
रमेश रक्षां करिष्यति.
No, rakshishyati is directly there. Raksham karishyati is not wrong, but rakshishyati is there. Whenever we feel difficulty in using pure dhatu, then only we go for that. Meaning is not wrong, grammatically also not wrong, but we use the pure one. Rakshishyati. Yeah. Next one, Devendra bolega.
Devendra vadishyati.
Yes, vadishyati. Vadishyati is there. Vada he.
Yeah, it is there. Vadishyati
yes,
is there.
Vadishyati is there. Yes. No, I had Vakshati is also. I thought that is there. Vah pakaega.
Sah pachishyati.
This I thought.
Pakshati.
Pakshati. Pakshati. Yeah, this was the first irregular dhatu. Pakshati. Okay, no problem. Next, tu girega.
Tom patishyasi.
Yes. Now, patishyasi. Tvam patishyasi. तू नमस्कार करेगा, नम ही यूज करना है, नमम नमस्कारम is also right, but you use nama.
नमिष्यति,
No, nansyati.
नंस्यति, अच्छा sorry.
Syati dhatu you practice once, so that others you can close your eyes and you say ishyati ishyati, but syati you practice. They are not the typical one. They are. हाँ, no problem. चलो, तू देखेगा.
त्वं पश्यसि.
No, द्रक्ष्यसि.
पश्यसि.
No.
Drakshati, right.
हाँ, it means you have not seen the dhatus. I understood that.
Drakshati.
And I have given example also that Bhaja Govindam last shloka comes Drakshasi Nija Rudayastham Devam.
Yeah.
Drakshasi. हाँ, तू बैठेगा.
त्वं सीदयसि.
नहीं, see those who have written the book, the Adarniya Acharya Kapil Dev ji, he is also intelligent. He gave almost all irregular work for practice.
Okay.
Very few he give like ishyati. So saha sthasyati, tvam sthasyasi will come, or tvam satsyati, because sada becomes satsyati, stha becomes sthasyati. You again practice that syati dhatu, because they are sthasyati. हाँ, they are there many, and there syati in Gita also. Don't lose focus on that. तो तू जल पिएगा.
त्वं जलं पिबस्यसि.
No. Did we see all? Yeah, we see all. But one day we saw everything, so they might not have created impression. Again, I am telling you, you practice syati wale all. Ishati you leave it. Syati you practice. So it is jal pega pasyati. Stha, pa, gra. This all akaranta dhatu. They have syati directly. Pasyati, grasyati, like that. Okay, next. Tu फूल सूंघेगा. Sungega. Tvam. Let it be wrong. Don't worry. Ha. Tvam.
Pushpam.
Graciasi. Ha. Graciasi. Because gra, pa, stha all have syati directly. Okay. Tu Ishwar ko smaran karega. Second case only. Because
Ishwaram anasyati.
नमस्कार नहीं करेगा. He will remember God. स्मरण करेगा. स्मरिष्यति. They are also. हाँ, स्मरिष्यसि. त्वं स्मरिष्यसि. हाँ, सह स्मरिष्यति. हाँ, तू राज्य जीतेगा. हाँ, here you have to pay attention.
अच्छा, त्वं राज्यं
जेष्यसि. हाँ, त्वं जेष्यसि. त्वं राज्यम जेष्यसि. मैं धन नहीं चुराऊंगा.
अहम धनम न चोरिष्यि.
हाँ, चोरयिष्यामि. भविष्यामि. चोर, that it declines like चोरयति. So चोरयिष्यामि. अहम धनम न चोरयिष्यामि. मैं सोचूंगा. दशम गण they are difficult. हाँ. अहम चिंतयिष्यामि. परफेक्ट. मैं कथा कहूंगा.
मैं कथाम कथिष्यामि.
अहम कथाम. अहम कथाम कथयिष्यामि. हाँ, because it is 10th gana, like see 4th dhatu is of 10th gana. Chorayati, chintayati, kathayati and bhakshayati. In one chapter, 4 dhatu. Okay. मैं खाना खाऊंगा. भक्षण.
अहम भोजनम भक्ष्यामि.
हाँ, भक्ष्यामि if you say present tense. भक्षयिष्यामि future tense. पठामि पठयिष्यामि. Okay.
भक्षयिष्यामि won't be.
हाँ, yes. Let me tell you that. Good. See, when you say patha dhatu, patha, then patishati comes because the mool dhatu is patha, patha pathati. But this bhaksha dhatu, bhaksha yati, this yati is there because it is 10th gana dhatu. Pathati, gachati, agati, first gana, but bhakshayati, chintayati. So here that T will go, just like in patha, T goes, like pathishyati, and then ishyati comes, like that here also, bhaksha ishyati will come. Okay?
अच्छा.
Because it's 10th gana dhatu, bhakshayati it comes. So bhaksha ishyati, chinta ishyami, chora ishyami, like that. And patishami, gamishami, there like pati, gami, but here iya comes at the end. That is why bhavishyat, bhaksha ishyami, chinta ishyami, chora ishyami. Understood? Yeah. So more that dhatu will have ishyat. So in that dhatu, patha, chora ya comes. So chora ishyami happens. Okay.
So katha ishyami, na?
Katha ishyami. Katha ishyami. Ya and then e. Okay. 7 minutes. Fast. मैं प्रश्न पूछूंगा. Pay attention.
Prashnam prakshami.
So prakshami. Pra and then ksha, kshatriya wala ksha, because it is typical irregular one. Pracha become praksha. Prakshami. Prakshayishami will not happen here. Okay. वह राजा से भूमि मांगता है. Now these are the simple one. वह राजा से भूमि मांगता है. These are all द्विकर्मक धातु.
सः अनिर्पेन पृथ्वी याचति.
नहीं. Pay attention. मांगता है. See, they are very smart. मांगेगा नहीं. And yacha dhatu declines differently. Yachati. We haven't seen that yet. Yacha yachati. But when I wrote there yachati. We need to more practice. But you know we can't go so slowly also. So everything will be thorough, but you will not learn many things. So we have to learn many things, push ourselves. Then only up to some extent we can go.
So this I have written Saha Nrupat Vasudham Tuchati.
No. Why no? Because this yachati mangta hai. Mangna means yachati. These dhatus are dvikarmak. That is why fifth case will not happen. Though it is from king. But these are dvikarmak dhatus, so it will overwrite that rule. Yeah, this kind of confusion can come. That is why they have given rules for this. These are dvikarmak dhatus. If such case come in front of you, just write down dvikarmak. Saha nrupam bhumim yachate. Saha nrupam bhumim yachate. वह चावलों से भात पकाएगा. Now this is future. See, they are playing with us. Sometimes present tense, then in between future tense. वह चावलों से.
सा अतनुलेन ओदरम पक्षति.
No need of. See, third case we have not seen.
Okay.
And the chawal is not instrument. That is the desired result.
Right. Agree.
We can say aham agnina tandulam pachami. That we can say agnina. That instrument is fire there. And third case is agni agnina. But here saha chawalo se tandulan odanam
pakshati.
Pakshati. Yeah, saha is there. Saha tandulan. Many are there. Tandulan, chavalon se. सो तंडुलान. ओके, नेक्स्ट. वह पुत्र से प्रश्न पूछेगा. सह पुत्रम प्रश्नम प्रक्ष्यति. पुत्रम प्रश्नम प्रक्ष्यति.
ओके.
पृच्छिष्यति नहीं होता है.
In this case also there are two karmas are there, no?
Yeah, because pruchhati is the dhatu, dvikarmak dhatu. Duha, yacha, pacha, danda, all are dvikarmak in that series. वह शिष्य को, हाँ बोलो.
सह पुत्रम प्रश्नम, what was it?
प्रक्ष्यति.
Prakshati.
See, Rupa ji, I have sent you another picture. In that, on left side, all these dhatus are declined.
Okay.
Syati and Ishyati separately they have declined. Okay, I will send it again if you have not, paid attention. Okay, वह शिष्य को सत्य बताएगा. सह शिष्यम सत्यम वदिष्यति. सह शिष्यम सत्यम वदिष्यति. रमेश दुर्जन से 100 रुपए जीतेगा. फ्यूचर. रमेश दुर्जनम शतम जेष्यति. Though their durjan say from the bad person, but this dvikarmak dhatu rule will override that.
Okay.
दिनेश नगर में बकरी को लाएगा. दिनेश नगरम अजाम कर्षति. लाएगा ही pulls. वहति नयति हरति. All will come. They have given there. You use all.
Anashati will come, no? Anashati.
हाँ. लाएगा फ्यूचर. नेष्यति आनइष्यति.
Aneshati.
हाँ, नेष्यति. If ni is you are using, then नेष्यति.
Okay, neshati. Okay.
आनेष्यामि नहीं, आनइष्यामि होता है फिर. Then it is different. Let us stick to नेष्यति. Ni becomes नेष्यति.
Anishyati.
Anishati, I am not sure. Anaishyami it becomes. Agamishyati. Anaishyami. Aneshyami. I am not sure. Is there any they have given? Okay. Aneshyami. You write down Aneshyami if he brings. Okay, here we will stop. Practice 5 words decline like Hari and 3 dhatus in past tense. So you will have right grip over that. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. हरि ओम.
Thank you.
नमो नमः.
नमो नमः. नमो नमः.